On Monday afternoon, the skies over Denver initially appeared calm. Daily activities continued as normal. Traffic flowed through the city, and there was no immediate sign of what was about to unfold. However, conditions changed rapidly as a powerful storm system began developing and moving across the Colorado metropolitan area. From the LoDo, lower downtown Denver area, residents captured footage showing how quickly the weather shifted. Dark clouds rolled in from the distance, gradually covering the city skyline. Soon after, strong winds began to pick up, shaking trees and signaling the arrival of severe weather.
Shit, looks like motherfucking snow!
Heavy rain marked the beginning of the storm's escalation. Within a short time, hail began to fall, first small, then rapidly increasing in size and intensity. Reports indicated hailstones ranging from 1 to 2 inches in diameter, with some reaching sizes comparable to ping pong balls and even golf balls in certain areas.
Listen to this hailstorm.
Loud impacts echoed across the city as hail struck rooftops, vehicles, and streets. The sound of ice colliding with surfaces mixed with heavy rainfall created a tense atmosphere throughout the affected regions. Within minutes, the appearance of the city began to change dramatically.
That's a crazy house.
In downtown Denver, hail fell so intensely that streets quickly became covered. Asphalt that had been dark and dry turned white, resembling a layer of snow. Sidewalks, yards, and parking areas were rapidly blanketed with accumulating ice. Residents outdoors quickly sought shelter to avoid injury from the large and fast-falling hailstones. Conditions became even more dangerous along Interstate 70, one of the region's main transportation routes. The combination of heavy hail and intense rainfall severely reduced visibility. Many drivers were forced to pull over and take shelter beneath overpasses north of Denver. The accumulation of hail on road surfaces created extremely hazardous driving conditions. The storm system also produced complex atmospheric activity beyond hail and rain. In several areas, including Lakewood, Parker, Castle Pines, Chatfield, and Bennett, residents reported sightings of funnel clouds forming beneath the storm base. One of the most striking observations came from Roxborough Park, where video footage showed a rotating cloud formation extending downward from the storm. The swirling structure appeared suspended in the sky, resembling a massive twisting column. Although not all funnel clouds developed into tornadoes, their presence indicated the strong atmospheric instability driving the storm. In other parts of the city, particularly Capitol Hill, residents experienced highly localized storm impacts. In some streets, hail fell heavily and covered the ground within minutes. Yet just a short distance away, conditions remained significantly milder, highlighting how uneven and concentrated the storm's impact was. The hail itself varied widely in size, ranging from small coin-sized pellets to much larger stones, nearing ping-pong ball dimensions. Several vehicles were reported to have sustained damage due to repeated impacts during the brief but intense storm. As the system gradually moved away from the Denver metropolitan area, its effects remained visible. Streets were still coated in thick layers of hail, drainage systems were overwhelmed, and many neighborhoods resembled winter landscapes despite occurring in the warmer season. This event stands as a clear example of how rapidly extreme weather can develop in Colorado. In less than an hour, calm skies transformed into a powerful storm system, producing giant hail, strong winds, heavy rain, and scattered funnel cloud activity across multiple locations. For Denver residents, the day served as a striking reminder that weather in this region can shift dramatically within minutes, turning an ordinary afternoon into a sudden encounter with one of nature's most intense and unpredictable forces.
Okay. I'm sure there's going to be a few dents.